For the country, please.
May we request Ms. Maricel Soriano to stand up and raise her right hand, ma'am, for the oath? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation, ma'am? Thank you very much, ma'am. Please take your seat.
Pangalan. Sa tingin mo ba may katotohanan ng mga nasabing dokumento? Sa tingin mo?
Unang-una po, hindi ko alam ito po sa mga dokumento. Nalalaman ko na lang yan nung pinakita sa akin. Dahil hindi po ako nagbabasa ng mga ganyan. Wala po akong alam.
Wala. Thank you po. Next question po, ma'am. May property ka ba sa Rockwell? Ikaw ba ang nagmamay-ari ng Unit 46-C Rizal Tower Building located at Rockwell, Barangay Poblacion, Makati City?
Opo.
Sa'yo yun?
Opo.
Yung 46-C?
Hanggang 2012 po, nabenta ko na ko yun. Wala na ako doon.
2012. Anong month yun nabinta?
Hindi ho ako sigurado sa month, pero yung year naalala ko.
So, your pre-ops is 2012, Your Honor. 2012. Yes, sir. 2012. 2012. So, bininta mo na after 2012.
Binenta ko po siya noong 2012. Yun lang po ang naalala ko.
Okay. But then you admit na you are the owner and at the same time the occupant of such unit, yung Unit 46, the C.
Opo.
2012, bininta mo.
Yes, Your
And your pre-ops was 2012. 2012. March 11. Okay, thank you. Ma'am, pwede bang makahingi ka ng kopya ng deed of sale ng unit na bininta mo?
Opo.
Ha? Kung meron kayong
Hanapin ko po.
hanapin mo. Thank you. Ito rin ma'am, may napabalita in 2011, two former household workers who lodged a complaint of serious physical injury against Maricel Soriano stated that they decided to flee from the actress condominium unit also because of her alleged cocaine use. Ano pong masasabi mo dito sa balita nito?
Hindi po totoo yan.
Hindi totoo.
Hindi po.
Thank you. I just want to get your answer para to set the record straight.
Yes po.
So hindi totoo yun.
Hindi po.
Pero totoo na meron kayong dalawang natulong sa bahay na dalawa na umalis,
Opo, kasi ninakawan po nila ako.
ninakawan kanila.
Opo.
Totoo na binugbog mo sila o hindi?
Paano ko naman po bububugin? Dalawa po sila.
Okay. And I'm just confirming the report, the news report. Thank you po ma'am. Maraming salamat for your cooperation. So far, that will be all as far as this committee is concerned. Yung confirmation mo lang as to the ownership and occupancy of that unit in the year 2012 when the pre-ops was initiated by Agent Morales.
Yun ang gusto ko, kaya wag niyo akong materi-teri. Dahil ang gusto ko, Lenny, Lenny, Lenny!